Confirm once the recording is started.
Recording started. Please start now.
Thank you. Good morning, respected shareholders, directors, and other invitees. I welcome you all at the 43rd Annual General Meeting of Emami Paper Mills Limited, which is being held today through video conferencing or other audio-visual means in conformity with the regulatory provisions and circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and by the SEBI. Before I hand over the proceedings to the chairman, sir, to declare the meeting open, I would like to mention certain points. The joining of this meeting has already commenced 30 minutes before the scheduled time of the commencement of the meeting and will be open throughout the meeting for the convenience of the shareholders and proper conduct of the AGM. Unlike a physical meeting, this meeting is accessible to all shareholders irrespective of their location in India or abroad. The facility of participation at the AGM through VC will be made available to 1,000 shareholders on first come, first serve basis. However, this will not include large shareholders, that is, shareholders holding 2% or more shareholding, promoters, institutional investors, directors, KMP, chairperson of audit committee, NRC committee, and stakeholder relationship committee, who are allowed to attend this AGM without restriction on account of first come, first served basis. The registered office of the company, situated at 687 Anandapur EM Bypass, Kolkata 700107, shall be deemed to be the venue for the AGM. Proceedings of this AGM are being recorded. Members are requested to join the meeting using their electronic devices with a stable internet connection with a good speed to avoid disturbance during the meeting. Please note that shareholders connecting from mobile devices or tablets or through laptops connecting via mobile hotspot may experience audio-video loss due to fluctuations in their respective networks. It is therefore recommended to use a stable Wi-Fi or LAN connection to mitigate any kind of aforesaid disturbances. All the members who have joined the meeting are by default placed on a mute by the host to avoid any disturbance arising from the background noise and to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. As per the MCA circular, the facility to appoint a proxy by the members to attend and vote is not available for this AGM. However, the body corporates are entitled to appoint their authorized representatives to attend the meeting through VC. Opportunities will be provided to the shareholders who have registered themselves as speaker in the AGM in advance. We shall allow them to speak once the chairman directs for the same. Once the question answer session starts, the name of the shareholders who have registered as a speaker shareholders will be announced one by one. The speaker shareholder will thereafter be unmuted by the host, who then can start speaking. The speaker shareholder can click the video on button. If the shareholder is not able to join through video for any reason, the shareholder can speak through the audio mode. While speaking, we would request the speaker to use the earphone with an inbuilt microphone so that he is clearly audible. Please minimize any background noise. Ensure that LAN Wi-Fi is properly connected to the device and there is proper lighting to have a good video and audio experience. In case of connectivity problem, the next speaker will be allowed to proceed. Once the connectivity improves, the speaker shareholder will be called upon to speak once the other shareholders who have registered complete their turn. We request the speakers to limit their queries addresses to maximum of 3 minutes for the benefit of other shareholders. The company reserves the right to restrict the number of questions and number of speakers as appropriate for the smooth conduct of the AGM. I now hand over the proceedings to Sri Aditya Vardhan Agarwal, Executive Chairman of the company. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Devendra. Good morning. I am Aditya Vardhan Agarwal and I am chairing this 43rd Annual General Meeting of the company through video conferencing from the registered office of the company at Calcutta. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the 43rd Annual General Meeting of your company. I trust that you and your families are safe and are in good health. I have been informed by the company secretary that we have the requisite quorum and thus I hereby call this meeting to order. This annual general meeting is being held through video conferencing and other audio-video means in accordance with the directives and circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI respectively. Now, I would like to request our esteemed Board of Directors to introduce themselves and their respective locations from where they are participating in this meeting. Shri Manish Goenka, Vice Chairman.
Good morning. I am joining this AGM from Emami's head office in Calcutta. Thank you.
Shri Amit Kiran Dev, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee and Nomination and Remuneration Committee.
Amit sir. So you're on mute.
Host, kindly unmute Mr. Amit Kiran Dev, sir.
We can unmute ourselves also. Amitji, just try to unmute yourself.
I am
now
Amit
he is.
Kiran Dev, an independent director of the company. I am the chairman of the audit committee and nomination and remuneration committee. I am participating in this AGM through VC from my residence in Salt Lake, Kolkata. Thank you.
Thank you. Srimati Mamta Binani.
Namaste. I'm Mamta Binani, independent director of the company, and my location of joining will be Calcutta. Thank you.
Thank you. Shri Ranjit Kumar Panchananda.
I am Ranjit Kumar Pachnanda. I am an independent director of the company. I am attending this meeting from New Delhi.
Thank you. Shri Neeraj Jalan, Independent Director and Chairman of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee.
Good morning to all. I'm Neeraj Jalan and I'm the independent director of the company. And I'm joining this meeting through my office in Calcutta.
Thank you. Shri P.S. Patwari, Non-Executive Director.
Good morning to all. Myself, P.S. Patwari. I am joining this meeting from my residence in Calcutta. Thank you.
Thank you. Shri Vivek Chawla, Whole-Time Director.
Good morning. I am Vivek Chawla, whole-time director. I am attending the meeting from the Emami's headquarters in Kolkata.
Thank you. Srimati Richa Agarwal and Sri Sumit Banerjee have not been able to join this meeting and have requested for leave of absence. The representatives of Mrs. S.K. Agarwal and Company Chartered Accountants LLP, statutory auditors, and Mrs. MKB and Associates, secretarial auditors, are attending this meeting through video conferencing. Chief Secretary CS Rajkumar Bhatia, partner of Mrs. MKB and Associates, company secretaries in practice appointed as scrutinizer for the purpose of scrutinizing the process of remote e-voting and e-voting of the AGM, and for ensuring voting is being carried out in a fair and transparent manner, is also present through video conferencing. Dear shareholders, before proceeding with the formal agenda of this meeting, I would like to share with you the performance of your company during the financial year 2024-25. The financial year 24-25 was a year that truly tested the resilience of the Indian paper and paperboard industry. A challenging global macro environment, subdued domestic demand, rising raw material costs, and aggressive imports from countries such as Indonesia and China created intense pricing pressure across the sector. Despite these headwinds, I am pleased to share that your company stood firm. Revenue from operations declined marginally by only 3%, largely due to lower net sales realization. Yet, we maintained profitability, delivering a cash profit of rupees 85 crore, an EBITDA of nearly 150 crores, and a profit after tax of rupees 26 crores. What is particularly encouraging is that our exports grew by almost 30%, reaching 150 crores in financial year 2024-25, compared to rupees 115 crore in the previous year. This validates the quality of our products and trust we are building in international markets. More importantly, during the year, we made strategic progress. We expanded our product portfolio, prioritized niche and value-added offerings, and strengthened customer relationships. These efforts will shape the future of our company, making us more competitive and better prepared to seize emerging opportunities. Our focus on innovation, operational excellence, and cost optimization has helped us navigate volatility and will continue to drive performance going forward. Beyond business, Emami Paper has always believed in growth with responsibility. For over 4 decades, we have been deeply committed to community development through our CSR initiatives in healthcare, education, women empowerment, and livelihood enhancement. We aim to foster equitable prosperity and make a meaningful difference in the lives we touch. In recognition of the confidence you, our shareholders, have placed in us, your directors are pleased to recommend a dividend of rupees 1.60 per equity share of rupees 2 each for the financial year ended 31 March 2025. I wish to place on record my sincere gratitude to my colleagues on the board for their guidance and to the entire team at Emami Paper for their tireless commitment and resilience in such testing times. I also extend heartfelt thanks to you, our shareholders, for your unwavering trust and confidence. As we look ahead, I am confident that the foundation we are laying today through product innovation, market expansion, and responsible growth will enable us to deliver long-term sustainable value. Together, we are prepared to embrace the future with determination and optimism. Thank you. Now, I am moving to the formal business of the meeting. Notice convening this 43rd Annual General Meeting and Annual Report for the financial year 2024-25, containing financial statements along with auditor's report, board's report thereon with all the required documents and statements have already been sent by email to all the stakeholders, shareholders whose mail addresses are registered with the registered and share transfer agent, depository participants. All the documents referred to in the notice and explanatory statements of AGM along with the register of directors and key managerial personnel and register of contracts or arrangements have also been made available for inspection electronically during the AGM. With the permission of the shareholders, I take the notice convening this meeting as read. Since there are no qualifications, observations, or adverse comments in the statutory auditor's report on the financial statements, the same is not required to be read out at the meeting. I request Sri Devendra Bhatia, Company Secretary, to inform the shareholders about the resolutions proposed at this meeting.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Dear shareholders, pursuant to the provisions of Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, read with rules made thereunder, all the shareholders were provided a remote e-voting facility prior to the date of the AGM, which was available from Sunday 31st August 2025 at 9 a.m. and concluded on Tuesday 2nd September 2025 at 5 p.m. Notice of the AGM having resolutions to be passed and an explanatory statement relating thereto, wherever applicable, is already with the shareholders. Now, I am reading out the subject matter of the resolution proposed to be transacted at this meeting. Resolution number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Resolution number 2, to declare dividend at the rate 8% per annum, that is rupees 8 per preference share of the face value of rupees 100 each, and 80% at the rate 80% rupees, that is rupees 1.60 per equity share of the face value of rupees 2 each for the financial year 24-25. Resolution number 3, to appoint a director in place of Mrs. Richa Agarwal, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers herself for reappointment. Resolution number 4, to appoint a director in place of Mr. P.S. Patwari, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Resolution number 5, ratification of remuneration to cost auditors for the financial year ending 31st March 2026. Resolution number 6, to approve the appointment of Messrs. MKB and Associates, Kolkata, practicing company secretaries as secretarial auditor of the company. Resolution number 7, approval under Regulation 17, Sub-Regulation 6, CA of SEBI listing regulation for payment of remuneration to Mr. Pitambaram Saran Patwari as non-executive, non-independent director of the company for the financial year 25-26. The objective of the business is at resolution number 5, 6, 7 are explained in the explanatory statement annexed to the notice. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands and there is no requirement of proposing and seconding on the proposed resolution as mentioned in the notice. Each resolution will be deemed to be passed subject to receiving the requisite number of votes. Thank you. Over to Chairman, sir.
Thank you, Devendra. Now I invite those members who have already registered themselves as speakers to express their views, ask questions on the agenda items. The time allotted to each speaker is maximum 3 minutes. The members are requested to keep their queries precise and limited to agenda items. Members are also requested to not to repeat the queries which has already been asked by the members. Reply of the queries will be answered collectively after all the speakers shareholders complete their address. Now, sorry, Devendra.
Host, please unmute shareholder Lily Pradhan.
Miss Lily Pradhan, please click on join as panelist.
Ms. Lily Pradhan, please unmute yourself and speak.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Very good morning, all our honorable chairpersons and all fellow shareholders. Myself, Lily Pradhan, a long-standing shareholder from Kolkata, attending this meeting today through video conferencing. I am truly grateful to the management for giving me this opportunity to express my views at this AGM. First of all, I extend my sincere thanks to our respected chairman, managing directors, CFO, company secretary, along with the secretarial team and the moderator for the excellent arrangement. I deeply appreciate the guidance given to me in advance for attending this meeting virtually. I kindly request that in the future also our meeting continue in VC mode so that the shareholders from any part of the India and abroad persons can participate comfortably and express their views without hesitation. I would especially like to appreciate the company secretary Devendra Banthia sir for always coordinate so well with me and with all shareholders. He also delivered a truly warm and personalized approach to every shareholders, which reflects excellent investors' communication and services. Chairman sir, I am genuinely proud of your leadership. Your polite, decent, hardworking, and patience nature inspire great confidence among shareholders. I am hopeful that under your able guidance, our company will continue to achieve greater and greater success in the coming year. My best wishes and always with you. I also acknowledge that I received the notice of this meeting along with a hard copy of annual report. The cover page theme of the annual report is both meaningful and knowledgeable, while financial statement reflect completely transparency. But I have put some specific question and request in present situation. Could the management share what key factors contributed most of this growth and how sustainable this diverse and in the coming 3 years? Second, next, with the global demand for paper and packaging materials rising, what steps in our company taking to strengthen its explores and computer in investors market it. Nothing more. As a woman speaker, request always support women empowerment, which is most important and more must be obeying by trusting for dignity and respect. Thank you so much with warm regards and best wishes. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Host, please unmute next speaker shareholder, Mr. Subhas Kar.
Mr. Subhas Kar, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please
Thank you,
continue.
sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and greetings of the day to our respected chairman, sir, esteemed members of the board, and fellow shareholder. I am Subhash Kaur joining from Kolkata. Chairman, sir, your speech was outstanding and provided valuable insight about our company. Sir, congratulations on your mixed financial result, steady dividend payout, impactful CSR framework. Sir, I wholeheartedly support all the regulation passed through remote e-voting. Thank you to the respected company secretary and the secretarial department for the providing good investor service and registering my name as a speaker. Sir, some of my questions. Sir, my first question is, sir, the profit before tax has dropped sharply from rupees 112.15 crore in FY 2023-24 to rupees 33.39 crore in FY 2024-25. What were the key reasons for this decline, and what step is the board taking to improve operational profitability going forward? My second question is, with significant expenses in materials, power, fuel, and finance cost, how does the company plan to optimize cost efficiency and maintain margin in the current market scenario? My third question is, sir, despite healthy revenue of the rupees 1,928 crore, the net cash from operation has reduced significantly to rupees 43.78 crores. What measure is the board taking to strengthen the cash flow and ensure sufficient liquidity for operation and debt obligation? And my final query is, sir, the company has undertaking multiple CSR initiatives in community development, and education, health, and sustainability. How does board measure their impact and ensure long-term benefit for the communities? Nothing to add more. All stay safe. Please remember us during the festive season. Thank you, sir, for providing me with this opportunity to express my view. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Host, please unmute Dipyan Pradhan, next speaker shareholder.
Mr. Divine Pradhan, unmute yourself. Please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself.
You unmute नहीं हुआ तो फिर
वो ज्वाइन नहीं किया दिव्यांग को लेना तो
Divine.
जो भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया.
Hello. Mr. Pradhan, you must be getting a screen.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Thank you for having me, and really thank you for having this meeting on an online platform. It's very helpful for us joining from overseas. And just have some brief questions. Okay, since our business model is carbon heavy, what steps are the board taking to reduce our carbon footprint? That's a very important question since the environment is going on a downtrend year on year. And since we are going into foreign markets, are the tariffs causing us any major disturbance in our profitability? If the board could explain more on how we strategize against that. And last, since we are steadily giving out dividend, I have a question. Will be all from my side. Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I request next speaker shareholder, Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee. Host, kindly unmute.
Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself. Mr. Amit Kumar.
Good noon to everyone. Respected chairman of the meeting, others board members present, myself Amit Kumar Banerjee from City of Kolkata. Thank you for getting me an opportunity to speak such a wonderful video conferencing meeting today. It is our 43rd annual general meeting of Emami Papers Limited. As regards performance is concerned, it is very nice. Total revenue about 1,932.50 crores of rupees. Profit after tax about 38.19 crores. EPS also 3.49. Dividend is also there, very nice. Face value of rupees 2, about 80%, 1.60 paisa per share. Market price of the shares quoting now at present around 105. So, what is the key reason for decline profitability of the company and steps taken to improve sustainable growth of the company? Kindly focus. Sir, what steps taken about debt? As debt load of our company is also increased. Kindly focus how to reduce on such issues. What is the current market trend of the industry? Kindly share your vision. Consider planned visit if it is possible, sir. Future roadways to enhance productivity for going ahead of the company for next 2 years. Kindly discuss about the point of issues. Sir, welcoming address by your chairman of the meeting is very informative and encouraging and also appreciable. Thank you for the same.
Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Is very sincere and maintaining good investor services. I thank also to all team members. Such a wonderful video conferencing meeting very smoothly today. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Host, next speaker shareholder is Mr. Manoj Gupta.
Mr. Manoj Gupta, please click on join as panelist.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gupta, you are audible. Please continue.
Good morning, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Kumar Gupta. I've joined this meeting from my residence city of Joy, Kolkata. I feel proud to be a shareholder of Emami Paper Limited and other Emami Group companies. First of all, I request our chairman convey our best wishes to your beloved father and our icon Sri R.S. Agarwal. And we wish to God for his fastest recovery because he is the pioneer of the industry in the Bengal. And we always pray to God for his healthy and prosperous, safe, long life. So now I thanks to you and your team for the good result. Maybe profit is down, but I believe that profit will increase and you will earn more and pay more and save more. Sir, what's your future plan? And what's your future outlook for the paper industry of the country for next 3 years? So now the government is inspiring people to use digitalization, paperless. So what impact will come on the paper industry due to the government more action for the paperless work? And within a short period, government will not issue the train ticket and extra. So what's your view in that regard? And how you will face the competition? Recently, ITC has acquired the Birla Century Mills paper business at a price of 3,853 crore rupees. So what's your view in that regard? Also, the tough competition is there in the paper industry. And sir, have you any plan to launch the value-added products? Now the time has changed. Kindly do consider to launch some value-added products under the brand of Emami papers that we young generation and other peoples can attract to buy that products. A value-added product can give you more return. Now you can see we belong to Bengal. Now you can see the jute industry. Several jute mills has launched the value-added products. So you should also consider to launch some value-added products to explore more items. And sir, how is our ESG score? If our ESG score is good, then what's your plan in that regard? Kindly throw some highlight. And how much we are using the renewable energy in our plant? And what's your plan to increase the capacity of renewable energy? Because our visionary Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, is inspiring the industries and pupils to use the green energy or renewable energy to save the cost of energy. So what's your plan in that regard? And some heads of the expenses has gone up to take a positive step to reduce the expenses. And once again, I thanks to your company secretaries and his entire team for their excellent services to the shareholder and support us to join this meeting through VC. And thanks to you and your team that you are doing a good job and you are running a plant in Bengal and Odisha. So you have a cash in books. So what's your plan in that regard to use the cash for next year to grow the company? With this, I thanks to you and your team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Host next speaker shareholder is Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar.
Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Sarkar, you are audible. Please continue.
Very good noon, sir. I, Bimal Krishna Sarkar, joining from my residence, Kolkata. Respected Chairman, Directors, KMPs, Company Secretary, and shareholder present in the VC meeting. Thanks to the Chairman for valuable, excellent presentation regarding performance of the company, and warm welcome to the shareholder. Thanks to the Company Secretary and Secretary Department for sending annual report and link for joining AGM well in advance. Sir, integrated annual report is colorful and informative. Now I come to the financial performance. Revenue from operation reduced by 3.30%. Sir, profit after tax drastically reduced by 69.14%. Sir, government bans on the single-use plastics have boosted use of paper in packaging for food. Sir, writing and printing paper, food packaging, beverages demand is increasing, whereas companies' sales are reduced. Sir, what are the reasons? Please share your thought. Sir, why do not increase the production of papers? As per section 135, subsection 5, section 5, CSR obligation 1,197.83 lakhs. Our CSR committee spent 157.54 lakhs. Thanks to the CSR committee, excellent performance. Sir, what are the outlook of CSR committee and as well as management? Number one, women empowerment. Number 2, especially abled person. Number 3, women and children of Jawans who died in harness in the world field. Best wishes to you all. Thanks for patient sharing. Over to you, sir, for further proceedings. Namaskar, all of you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Host next speaker shareholder is Mr. Sujan Modak.
Mr. Sujan Modak, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, other Board of Directors, I'm Sujan Modak. I'm attending this meeting from a residence in Kolkata. Sir, if you see the performance, you have already explained about the PBT and PAT has gone down slightly, but definitely our company's financial strength is very, very strong. So I think we'll recover definitely, sir. Sir, I have a few questions, sir. What is the capacity utilization of our plants at this moment, running plants? Whether we are going on 100% production or a reduced condition, if you can please tell us, sir. Now, AI technology. What is the thought process of putting that AI technology in our factories? Is it possible? And if it is possible, how far we are planning on that, sir? Sir, the page number 57, the low-cost imports from China and Southeast Asia, you have given one of the reasons for this, our revenue coming down and all, sir. So what are the programs or plan you are taking to counter this one? Is it possible, sir? Is it possible for a factory visit? I have never seen our factory, sir. If possible, please arrange it. It will be nice for you, for all of us, sir. So before I finish, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, Mr. Devendra Bantia, and his whole team for doing a very good investor services to the investors community. Nothing to add more. Over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Host next speaker shareholder is Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Sir, Mr. Manjeet Singh is not there.
Okay. Next speaker shareholder, Mr. Amrendra Nath Ray.
Yes, sir. Mr. Amarendra Nath Ray, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Respected Chairman, other Board of Members present, myself Amarendranath Rai, an equity shareholder of Emami Paper Limited, joining video conferencing from Kolkata. The company secretary, Mr. Devendra Bantia, is not accessible to the shareholders. He cannot be reached on the land phone. The phone keeps ringing but remain unanswered. And no one from his department is available at the time of the year, at any time of the year to address matters. Sir, I am a speaker shareholder of Emami Limited under the leadership of our Deputy Secretary, Mr. Ashok Kumar Purohit, and his secretarial department rendering good investor service. Sir, I am a speaker shareholder of Emami Realty under the leadership of our company secretary, Mrs. Payal Agarwal, and her secretarial department rendering good investor service. We have been given the joining link, but no sequence number has been provided, which is very much needful to us. If I miss my turn, there will be no one to request for another chance. I believe the management will look into this matter and resolve it. Sir, I have some queries. How is the company planning to benefit from the global shift away from single-use plastic? Please share your views. Next, what steps are being taken to strengthen partnership with long-term vendors and suppliers? Please share your views. Third, how does the company plan to foster stronger relationship with eco-conscious customers in the coming years? Please share your views. Fourth, what steps are being taken to expand into advanced packaging solutions and specialty paper grades? Please share your views. Fifth and last, given the heavy dependence on imported pulp, Sir, I would like to know how resilient is the company to raw material price volatility. Please share your views. I have casted my voting in favor of all resolutions. I have full trust on our strong, efficient management. I wish our company's prosperity. I believe our company will grow up near height near future. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Host next speaker, shareholder Anindya Sundar Roy.
Mr. Anindya Sundar Roy, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Yes, then.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Roy, please
Hello.
continue. You are on.
Good afternoon,
Yes,
sir.
Mr. Roy.
Can you hear me, sir?
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes,
Can
Mr.
you hear
Roy,
me?
we can hear you. Please continue.
Can you hear me and see me? Hello.
Possibly
Can you
he
hear
is
me,
not
sir?
able to hear us.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, you are
Hello.
audible, Mr. Ray Roy. Please speak now.
Sir, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Chairman, respected Chairman of the meeting, other dignitaries on dais, our company secretary, Sri Devendra Panthyaji, employees of the company, my online fellow shareholders. My name is A.S. Roy, joining this video conferencing from Calcutta. So this is a feeling of nostalgia to attend any meeting hosted by this group of companies. Sir, and company's operational area, you have not performed, sir. You have just put a milestone in everything under this adverse industrial and adverse climatic situation. That this way I must congratulate you and thank you, sir. Thank everybody who is attached to this company for taking this company to this level, up to this level. Sir, I must thank Mr. Devendra Bhantyaji for sending me the annual report and this link to allow me on this platform. Sir, what I feel about, because in 3 minutes, you allotted 3 minutes, and this is very much, to get, this is nervous, get on my nerves to speak any of your operational area. Any operational area, at least it takes one AGM. So you have so many operational areas and you have CSR activities. You have performed. So this is so good, sir. I haven't seen any other big short companies. They didn't do that much as you have done. Sir. I thank you for that. And sir, one request: we have 2 indigenous trees like banyan and people for whose oxygen we breathe, and we have the whole of the country is treed. Sir, we have the paper, bond paper. So my request, if it is possible for you to put their image, I mean physical image as a water bond on this paper. This way we could pay respect to our hereditary system of this country and culture. Sir, nothing to more. We have seen long time back. I have been to your factory, and it is a feeling of nostalgia also, sir. So, if possible, this year, allow me, because COVID has made everything upside down. So, if possible, before I pass away, make a factory visit. Thank you. And thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. Thank you, sir. Over to you. We wishing you all good health and prosperity for the next till the next AGM. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Host next speaker shareholder, Mr. Dilip Kumar Das.
Mr. Dilip Kumar Das, please speak on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear
audible.
me? Huh? Hello.
Yes, you are audible, Mr. Das.
Thank you. Good afternoon, respected Chairman, sir, other Board of Directors, and my fellow stakeholders of Emami Paper Mills. This is 43rd Annual General Meeting arranged by Emami Mills through video conferencing is grand success. Sir, I am Dilip Kumar Das, shareholder, joining this meeting from my residence at Kolkata. Sir, as a speaker, this is my first meeting with Emami Paper, and thanks to Secretary for providing opportunity in this esteemed platform to speak in front of you. Sir, excellent investor service by our secretarial team, timely sending annual report and full facts and figure, and informative also. There is a tagline in our annual report for 2025 is enhancing value, sir, which is appropriate for our Emami Paper. Congrats our entire secretarial team headed by Dr. Devendra Bantia and his whole team. The Chairman, sir, your initial speech is informative with full facts and present and future activities of our Emami Paper. It is mixing result. From the above facts, it is no doubt our company trying to strong hand and support all the resolution in favor of you. Sir, some question, sir, what is our future plan for coming 2 years? Sir, any takeover of our policy? Sir, our company taking AI technology for betterment of our product. Sir, kindly arrange planned visit for Emami Paper, all shareholders. Sir, I hope our Emami performance will be better for coming years. Lastly, I wish you and your whole family of Emami Paper for good health and prosperity with advanced greetings for our coming Durga Puja, Kali Puja and Dasera, etc. Sir, I am concluding my part and back to you for further proceedings. Namaskar.
Thank you. Host, please unmute Mr. Mahesh Kumar Gupta.
Sir,
Next speaker, sir.
Sir, Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bhogna is not there, sir.
Okay. Next speaker, shareholder, Mr. Joydeep Chakravarti.
Yes, sir. Mr. Jaydev Chakravarti, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Mr. Chakravarti, your video has frozen, possibly a
Yes, I
bandwidth
can
issue.
hear.
Yeah, please speak now.
Okay. Good afternoon, Chairman, sir, and all the participants attending this meeting through VCO. Nothing much to add. My best wishes for the growth of the company, because growth of the company indirectly benefits all the shareholders like me. So my best wish team of Emami for the growth and progress of the company. Last but not the least, my best wishes to the company secretary and also my company secretary and his entire team for sending me all the documents and all the compliance within due time limit. So that's all, nothing much to add on. Thank you and my best wishes to each and everyone of Emami Paper. Thank you.
Thank you. Host, next speaker shareholder, Mr. Gautam Nandi.
Mr. Gautam Nandi, please speak on, join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, Mr.
And start my video also, sir. Am I visible also, sir? Yeah. Very good morning and namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi, very old equity shareholder of your company. Speaking from Kakurgachi, Kolkata, very old equity shareholder. Sir, firstly, I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department for rendering good services to our minority shareholders. As I have received the hard copy also from your secretarial department from Mr. Madhya, who is a very cordial person, very sober, well-behaved, and a dynamic person. I requested for the hard copy. He has sent me in well in advance. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference, and I find it is a grand success like the previous years. Sir, I have also received the annual report, which is very, very attractive and also very informative. Respected Chairman, sir, your introductory speech was very much informative and also very encourageable. So, no query from my side, only a few points I like to share with you, sir. Sir, what is the roadmap of your company for the next 3 to 4 years? Sir, who are the main competitors in your sector? Please tell us. Sir, do you have any plan to acquire any new company in this year?
Mr. Nandi, possibly you are facing a bandwidth issue. You are frozen.
Host, if there is any connection issue, we can move to next speaker shareholder, Mr. Taraknath Chakravarti.
Mr. Taraknath Chakravarti, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now. Hello, Mr. Taraknath Chakravarti, unmute yourself and speak now.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Chairman, oldies gold person, Mr. R.S. Agarwal and R.S. Goenka, and really we are very proud to feel, and I am a old shareholder in your concern. I again salute to two founders. After that, I wish to our family all members, board of directors, senior person, and attending the shareholder present VC conduct the meeting. Taraknath Chakraborty speech to Calcutta. Emami Limited, after that meeting is Emami Paper, but new to chairman, vice chairman, and managing the whole time director, Mr. Agarwalji, Mr. Goenkaji, Mr. Chawla, and other all senior person are present, organize the paper industry. But I am very proud to feel, sir, your company last 2-3 years our company position not so far good. Minority shareholder try to make a 3 opportunity, good turnover, good profitability, good pay dividend. But you have mentioned to be continue pay the dividend. We are very proud to feel, and 80% dividend paper industry is not a matter of joke. This is very correct. But inside the matter of accounting policy, sir, very sorry to say, sir, accounting policy is not so far good. Sir, basically, I am the last speaker. Already I observe your full meeting, but no deeply discussion for what is the present scenario of the company industry pattern. Sir, last year 2024, your turnover 9,966 crore, some figure, and 2025, your financial year, your turnover at pattern say more than 30-40 crore is down. But sir, drastically more than 200% your profit margin is come down to last year figure, 84 to 28. Parallel, your earning per share is come down 13 to 3 point something. And not only that, so last year you have paid the tax 23 crore to come down only 7 point something crore. Sir, what possible, sir? Basically, there is not big deteriorate this year to FY25, but tax your redemption is only 7 crore. What magically? And not only that, sir, you have no cost control and cost redo present parallel to main thing point, sir. We are very sorry to say, first thing you try to your fulfill your production capacity, after that cost control and cost reduce. But sir, your three director remuneration yearly you have over 15 crore, vice chairman, chairman, and whole time director, and other directors and over. Sir, my main thing point, sir, don't worry, be happy. Sir, as per SEBI guideline 2015, 644 articles, sir, director remuneration over 10 crore you have paid. Sir, there will be SEBI permission is must be granted. Sir, I know one, but I request to you, sir, confirmation is available and permission you are available, sir. And last thing, sir, I know briefly discussion, sir, keep you change your policy making business segment. And sir, I am very sorry to say, sir, accounting standard, there will be no mention 10 years financial highlights. I request our CFO, Mr. Agarwal, if you have mentioned the accounting always straight line method. Sir, you are a very good accounting presentation, but I request you coming here, you briefly deliberate of the annual report and pattern the 10 years financial highlight mention. I know briefly discussion. Further, you have proceeding over to microphone our company chairman. Thanks to all person. Thank our founder. Keep safe health. After that, enjoy your work. And lastly, I wish to your Zoom operator of VC conduct the meeting. Thank you all the person. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next speaker, shareholder Mr. Pathak, Ashit Kumar Pathak.
Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good afternoon, respected chairman, vice chairman, CEO, board of directors, company secretary, fellow GM of Emami Papers Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak, joining from Dondon, Kolkata. At first, my esteemed gratitude to our company secretary, Mr. Devendra Banthia, and entire secretarial team for rendering good service to the members and sending me the hard copy of annual report very well in advance and allow me to speak. Sir, your opening remarks, you delivered most of the positive parameters and financial performance of my company. And thanks to my company's management team for awards and accolades received. Also, I am highlighted companies in Project Bulandi. Excellent initiative. I am totally appreciating it for financial performance was not too up to date that financial year 25. But I have noticed some view which I like to share. Sir, are we focusing to niche value-added products for better margin and profitability? And also my company are in focused on premium specialty segment. And are we also seeking premiumization strategy for long-term profitability? Share your thoughts. I also noticed from respected CEO desk that record in input of infra paper and paperboard rising difference to 90% over 4 years to near about 2.05 million tons, and that impacted in also paper business industry. So what strategies we are taking, because India is making deep business relationship with China, also a positive reduction of GST. So share your thoughts to enhance our domestic market business as well as export business. Last year, export was nicely achieved near about 149 crores foreign exchange earning. So share your thoughts to also our enhance our market share. And mentioned with diversified concern where imports from China and Asian with low prices doubled over 4 years from respected CMO test. Sir, I noticed that to be rectified in page 29, the distance of our manufacturing units to Holdia port mentioned huge 21,050 kilometers. That to be rectified. I noticed in the balance sheet. So, and also, are we focusing value-added specialty paper and also lower GSM paper and GSM paper boards for pharma printed paper, OGR, and sublimation paper grade, when pharma print paper near about 45% growth were mentioned in the balance sheet. Also, we have achieved value-added products near about 5% growth financial year 28. Also, share your thoughts about this strategy. Also, what expense we are doing respect to our research and development, or also we mentioning lower GSM products with with superior properties. Also, our expenditure in technological improvement. Share your thoughts about this. Also, in page 24, are we not getter margin in financial 25 writing and printing paper, which production lower down from 0.64 to 0.53 lakh ton? Share your thoughts. Then packing board and newsprint. Share your thoughts. Also, I have noticed what cost optimization we are thinking. Other expenditure near about increased to 219.29 crores against 207.18 crores, and mostly miscellaneous expenditure increased to 27.18 crores against 18.18 crores, where we are also initiated at Project Bulandi for cost optimization. I am praying to God for everybody good health and prosperity of my company. The very old company, and I always, as a minority shareholder, expect my company's prospective performance year on year basis. Thanking you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, next speaker shareholder.
Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, please click on join as panelist and unmute yourself and speak now. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, please click on join as panelist.
नहीं आगे चल.
Host, you can check next speaker shareholder, Mr. Sunil Kumar Modak.
Right, sir.
Mr. Sunil Kumar Madhav, please click on join as panelist. Yes, unmute yourself and speak now.
I'm audible now?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Very good noon to all. Respected Chairman of the meeting, Board of Directors, CFO, and Company Secretary, my fellow shareholder, myself, Sunil Motor, joining this VC from Calcutta, my residence. I thank Company Secretary Devendra Bachia for allow me to registering me as a speaker and allow me to speak on this platform. Sir, Emami Paper began his journey as a paper board manufacturer in 1981. This mill India's high-level packaging board segment, having average employees age 44 years and among 1,000 employees employed in the Emami Paper. Sir, I congratulate for the awards and accolades received by the company. As per the company's performance, 1928 crore turnover, and the earning per share is 3.49. Company invested consistently large amounts in employees' remuneration as a responsible employer. Please, regarding customer value, you were of 537 customers since 2021-22, but in 23-24 it comes to 349. What is the reason to reduce this customer base? Why such diminishing customers over the years? Please throw some light. You have increased CSR investment from 83 crore 0.83 crore in 2020 to 122 to rupees 2.04 crore in 2024-25. You have strengthened your sales and marketing functions in a challenging financial year 2024-25. Sir, what is the roadmap for next 2 years? What is your capex program? And sir, a long time ago there was a factory visit. Then I was not included. Please plan for a factory visit and include me, the speakers members who are interested. So dividend is also 18%, that is 1.60 per equity share. What is your ESG score? Sir, I have already casted my vote and in favor of the resolutions and casted my vote. I hope that our company will do better in coming years. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much. Over to you for further proceeding.
Who's next speaker shareholder? Aloka Modak.
Sir, Miss Aloka Modak is not there.
Okay, thank you. Now I request Chairman Sir to kindly continue the proceedings.
I request Sri Vivek Chawla, Whole-Time Director, to reply to the shareholders' query in short.
Thank you, sir. I will answer the questions not in any particular order, but would like to ensure that most of the questions get answered. The future outlook for the paper industry is that pulp and paper market are growing very fast, driven by shift to eco-friendly products and rising demand of paper-based packaging. Paper sector in India is also experiencing a shift towards value-added products and specialized solutions. Companies are increasingly investing in research and development to create innovative packaging solutions. Long-term demand outlook for paper in Indian market remains moderately positive. Strategically, expanded product portfolio to include niche products such as pharma print, oil and grease resistant paper is expected to result in better contribution for the company. With a strong portfolio of eco-friendly products, your company is set to expand its global presence and lead in pharma, FMCG, and premium packaging segments. Looking ahead, your company is well positioned to leverage its state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Deal highlights for the year 24-25. The company encountered, not only the company, but the industry at large. In 24-25, we deepened our presence across niche and value-added products that generated superior realizations. Company also launched Project Bulandi to optimize cost, accelerate a cultural change, and enhance operational efficiency. And we deepened our financial resilience, protected its credit rating, and reduced working capital costs. CSR. Our CSR initiatives prioritize healthcare, education, women empowerment, and livelihood enhancement. We support healthcare through medical camps, awareness programs aiming to improve access and promote preventive care. Collaboration with local stakeholders ensures our initiatives are relevant and sustainable. The company has spent close to 2.04 crores on CSR activities during 24-25. The detailed report of CSR are given at page number 43 to 46 and 72 to 74 of the annual report. Credit rating was maintained at a consistent credit rating of A- stable as on March 31st, 2025, reaffirming the company's financial stability and credit worthiness. Average cost of working capital as on March 31st, 2025 is 7.5%, whereas previous year it was 7.75%. Tactically, we are not discussing the expansion plan for the company at the right point. We will keep the shareholders informed. The company secured access to miscellaneous critical resources through long-term supplies. Coal from Mahanadi Coalfields Limited through focused fuel supply agreement at a competitive price. Solar power from 7 megawatt solar power project to be set up at a captive structure of village Katabandi in district Balagir in Odisha. The project, we will be start receiving the power in a very short time now. The new products which are developed by the company is niche products of oil and grease resistant paper, pharma insert, and interleaving paper. These are value-added products which the company has been successful in marketing and is gradually increasing its market share. There was a question regarding carbon footprint. So we have been able to reduce the carbon footprint by reduction in the GSM of the paper that we produce and making high bulk paper. We are one of the largest recyclers of the country. So we are not using any wood in our manufacturing process. Sourcing green power through IEX open access is also one of the initiatives apart from solar power. Reduction of virgin plastic use of in the packaging. That these are the carbon footprint reduction, this thing. There was a question around cyber security and data protection. We are committed to safeguarding its digital structure and sensitive information. Firewall provides secure network access, real-time threat monitoring, and intrusion preventions. Endpoint security ensures comprehensive protection across all devices against any malware. These systems collectively strengthen our cyber resilience. Artificial intelligence at Emami Paper is in the exploratory stage, and we are evaluating various options. There was a question regarding our product revenue distribution. The board accounts for, out of that 1900 odd crores, board accounts for 64%, newsprint is 16%, writing and printing is 16%, and the specialty paper is 5%. We are enduring now and are in advanced stage of increasing our percentage of specialty papers. Profit after tax. Profit before tax for the year substantially decreased to 33.39 crores from 112 crores of last year. This decrease in profit is mainly on reduction of the net net sales realization of all the products because of depressed market conditions on account of cheaper imports which came in from Indonesia and China. In this case, we are also getting some support from the government of India. And we are hopeful that in the coming days, or rather very soon, this problem will get sorted out. Yeah. Project Bulandi that we had is a transformation project which the company undertook with support from KPMG to have a focused approach of improving the efficiency at manufacturing and operational levels. This has already started, resulting in reduction in cost and increasing the operating margins. This is a continuous improvement program.
Thank you, shareholders. We have taken note of your valuable comments and suggestions. Members may note that the e-voting on the CDSL platform will continue to be available for maximum 15 minutes from the close of the AGM. Therefore, the members who have not cast their vote yet are requested to do so. The company has appointed CS Rajkumar Bhatia, practicing company secretary, as scrutinizer for ensuring voting is being carried out in a fair and transparent manner, and to submit the scrutinizer's report at the earliest. On receipt of the scrutinizer's report, the results of the voting will be declared within 2 working days after the conclusion of the AGM. I authorize Sri Devendra Bhatia, company secretary, to declare the results within the prescribed time limit. The results, along with the scrutinizer's report, shall be placed on the website of the company, that is www.emamipaper.com, and on the website of CDSL, that is www.evotingindia.com. Immediately after the declaration of the results will also be forwarded to the stock exchanges where the shares of the companies are listed. I wish all of you very good health and stay safe. With this, I conclude the 43rd AGM of the company. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the directors
To the chair, thank you so
for your
much.
time and patience.
Thank you to the team.
Thank you.